You probably know iFixit for our free repair guides, our awesome teardowns, and our black and blue toolkits, but what you might not know is that there's a community on iFixit.com where you can go to ask and answer repair questions, and it's called the Answers Forum. Every day, people from all over the world come to the Answers Forum to get troubleshooting tips and to learn how to fix their broken devices. But who provides all the answers? You can thank our awesome community members for that. Here are 3 of our top contributors who work hard to get all your questions answered every single day.
Hi, my name is Mike Tyran, and I'm known as Old Turkey 03 on iFixit. So I've been on iFixit Answers since 2010, since September 2010. My total answer count right now is somewhere close to 14,000.
Hi, I'm Richard Mayer. I'm one of the answer providers and moderators on iFixit. I started looking at the site in 2009, started doing answers in January of 2010. I have no idea how many accepted answers or how many questions.
Hi, my name is Dan. I am Dan J on iFixit. I am one of the major moderators over in the answers section. We've had over 2 million hits on our answers, the top 3. So that's quite a substantial number of hits.
You know, the favorite thing is really the community. There's such a big cohesion between people. As a mission to be accomplished, and we all get that mission done and we pitch into each other. There's no competition between us, so we just supply answers together.
I just don't answer the question. I try to work with the person, get to know who I'm talking to, throw some humor in there, make the person think, make them enjoy wanting to do this repair instead of dreading it.
We don't do bashing, we encourage. And I think that's important. I think I answered a question for an 8-year-old, and I know I've answered a few that were some people even older than me.
So my advice for those that ask a question would be to let us know what the device is, what's the make, what's the model.
Because without that, I can't find the manual. I can't find the service manual to get you there. Don't just say it's a car or it's a Chevy. There are known issues on many different machines. There are known recalls.
A lot of people put in, I have a Macintosh MacBook, and there's very many varieties of MacBooks, including the MacBook Pro series.
And don't tell us things like, oh, I've tried it all. Let us know what you tried to fix it. How did you go about troubleshooting? What did you do to try to fix it?
Saying, I've tried everything doesn't really help us, because we don't know what everything is in your mindset. You know, it's what we understand is everything, maybe radically different than what you think.
Third, don't lie to me. Yeah, you did something stupid. Who cares? We don't know who you are. You're just, you're an avatar and a name that you made up. So go ahead and admit it.
I can fix things. I can teach you how to fix it. Let me show you.
I don't believe in the throwaway society that our society has gotten into today. Reusing and keeping energy costs down is really by recycling and repurposing. So we have to conserve our resources as much as possible.
This is fun stuff, man. This makes you feel good, and it does. It makes me feel good to help people, and it makes me feel good to put it to the man that wants me to go out and buy a new computer every 6 years.
Don't be scared. Do one step at a time. Move slowly. Think about your next step, but one step at a time. Don't tear it all apart. Be systematic, be organized, and ask lots of questions.
One of my major motivation in life is to help other people and give of what I have been given and share that knowledge and to help people, because there's not enough people doing it out there.
These guys truly embody the spirit of iFixit. Over the years, they've helped millions of people fix everything from cars and appliances to just about anything you can think of. We're truly grateful for their hard work and dedication. Our Answers community would not be the same without them. But we have a saying here at iFixit: no one knows how to fix everything, but everyone knows how to fix something, which is why we need your help. I know we have a few more experts out there, so if you're in the mood to lend a hand, head over to iFixit.com/answers, join our community, and answer a few questions. I'll see you over there.